Hi there, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. I'm about to start working on this really cute set, so if you're interested in seeing how I do it, stay tuned. I picked up this hack a little while back where you apply liquid to the entire nail before application. It really helps with lifting, so if you do experience lifting, try this out and let me know how it goes. When you're applying the acrylic, make sure that it's 99% towards the cuticle. You don't want it touching the cuticle exactly because this can cause lifting. So if you are experiencing some lifting, double check your application process and make sure it's not touching. So this is my first time using the French acrylic cutter. Normally I do just place a bead, shape it, and then file it down. However, this is a new tool at Jessica, so I figured I'd give it a try. If I were to go back and use it again, I'd definitely make a thicker bead. Otherwise, it makes cutting it a little bit complicated and not as accurate, or doesn't give it that look that you're looking for. So please make sure if you use this, you're applying it with a thicker bead and then cutting it. So here I'm just gonna mix our chunky holographic flakes and our chunky glitter mix together. You guys, we have so much glitter and flakes, iridescent flakes, that are so cute. You guys really need to check it out on our website at jessicanailsupply.ca. I'm sorry, can we just take a moment to take in how cute this glitter mix is? Like, this has to be one of my favorite mixes of all time, or looks of all time. It's just so adorable. Get your glitters, you guys. These are so cute. You can mix them yourselves, create your own looks. We have these clouds, Hello Kitty charms, all these little cute kawaii nail art products at our shop. So just check it out on Jessica's. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going through all the nails and separating the acrylic from the skin in case it has caught on. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it's a little bit flooded right here. Whenever this happens, I like to go in with a file and kind of even it out before going in with the drill bit. So I was a little bit too eager to get this piercing in. However, if I were to do this again, I would definitely wash my hands, apply the top coat, and then do the piercing last. So we're gonna go ahead and apply top coat, favorite part. Ooh, look at that. We're using Unblue from Bossy Gel. Bossy has some of the best top coats in the market. Test them out and let me know what you guys think. And that is everything for this cute kawaii glitter mix look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Please like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you guys want to see next from me. Thanks guys, have a great day, and thanks for tuning in. Bye.